Hey guys, I am back again with another useful video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a bootable USB pen drive very easily. So let's get started. First, open your browser and come to this website. I have put the link of this website in the video description. In this website you will find a software called Rufus. It is one of the best software to make a bootable pen drive. There are many software to make a bootable pen drive, but I like the Rufus most, because it is easy to use and also free. Now scroll down and download the latest version of the software. The size of this software is only 1 megabyte. Now right-click on the file. Then click on Run as Administrator. Here is the interface of the software. Now insert a pen drive. I will recommend you to use at least 8 GB pen drive. Here is my pen drive named Technical Feedback. Now the pen drive will automatically detect by the Rufus software. From the boot selection option, select disk or ISO image. Then click the select button and select your Windows ISO file. In my case I am selecting in Windows 10 ISO file. If you don't have an ISO file, you can create an ISO file from a Windows CD or a DVD. I have made a video about this topic, link will be in the video description. Select the standard Windows installation option from the image option. Now you have to select partition scheme. It is very important for us to select the right partition type. For that you have to check the partition types of your hard disk. To do that you have to go to the disk management section. To go there, right-click on this PC, manage, then click on the disk management. Or else you can just right-click on the start button and click on disk management option. Here I have my 1 TB hard disk. Now right-click here and select Properties. Click on the volume. You can see that I have a MBR type disk partition, so I have to select MBR. You can't change this option. From here you can change the name. Leave this to option as default. After set all the things properly, click on Start. And it will pop up and warning that if you have any data on your pen drive that will be destroyed, so I highly recommend you to back up your data files from the pen drive. Now click Yes and the process will be start. It can take some time to finish the process, so I am fast forwarding the video in this part. If this video was helpful for you, please leave us a comment and hit the like button. Also it will be grateful if you subscribe to our channel. As the process is finished, our bootable pen drive is ready now.